Hey guys, and welcome to iGCSE Maths and Science tutorials. Today we're going to do maths, simultaneous equations, and these are two GCSE questions that you may have in your exam. They're already from past papers, so this is as hard as it's probably going to get with simultaneous equations. I'm going to just show you this one just to understand the concept of it, but there's two ways to figure out simultaneous equations, to solve them. One is substitution, which is what we're going to use here, and one's elimination, which we're going to use here. And then it's up to you to decide which one you like more. So, we need to eliminate an unknown. So, right now, if we subtracted the two equations, we'd still have two unknowns, and we only need to have one unknown so we can figure out what that unknown is and plug it back into the equation. So, what we're going to do is multiply this by 2 and leave this how it is. So 2x times 2 is 4x, 3y times 2 is 6y, and 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to write this one down again. 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 4. Now we have 4x and two 6y's, but one is minus. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract them to get rid of the 4x. We could even add them and we'd still get rid of the an unknown, because 6y minus plus minus 6y is 0, and 4x plus 4x would be 8x. But we're going to do minus 4x and just remove the x's. So 4x minus 4x is obviously 0. 6y minus minus 6y becomes plus, which is then 12y. 12 minus minus 4 is 16. So 16 divided by 12 is, so y is equal to 16 over 12, which we can simplify to 4 over 3. Then what we can do is plug 4 over 3 back into the equation. So 2x, we know that y is 4 over 3, so 3 times 4 over 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 4 is 12, so 12 over 3 is 4, so 4 plus 2x is equal to 6. 4, we're going to take away 4 here, and we're going to get 2 is equal to 2x, and let me just move it over here. X is equal to 1. So for this, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 over 3. So this is elimination. Now let's use substitution. It'll be a bit harder to use elimination in this one, because if you square this, it all just gets a little bit too complicated. So what we can do is just plug y, which is 10 minus 2x, in here. So x squared plus y, which we know is 10 minus 2x, but then we have to square it, is equal to 20. So x squared plus 10 squared is 100, and then we have to remember the double product, which is minus 20x plus minus 20x, which is minus 40x, and then minus 2x squared is plus 4x squared, which is equal to 20. Now let's simplify this a little bit. X squared plus 4x squared, collect like terms, is 5x squared, minus 40x plus 100 is equal to 20. Sorry, I forgot the x there. Now this turns into a quadratic equation. So let's subtract 20 to get one side equal to 0. 5x squared minus 40x plus 80 is equal to 0. We can divide everything by 5 because it's all divisible by 5. So x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this. X and x on both sides is equal to 0. Minus 4, x minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. And so, x is equal to 4. Let's plug this back in. Y is equal to 10. We know what 4 is, minus 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to y. Y is equal to 2. This is as simple as as hard as it gets with the square. I suggest that when you do have squared, you do this way and you just substitute it back like that. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want any other help with other topics, please comment them down in the comment section. And check also out the science part of our channel. And yeah, thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.